Hello everyone. So I'm about to make a do-it-yourself broom to go along with my Halloween decor, and this is also a good project to do if you're trying to make a broom for your dolls. Okay, so I have a broken chopstick wooden, Fringe scissors. These are really fancy. These little fancy scissors, they open up, see that? And they shred really evenly and cut nicely if you're trying to do fringe projects. I brought these for a wedding project that I was working on a few years back. And the cardstock. Cardstock is like a really thick brown cardstock. You can use any kind of type of cardstock, but I like mine really firm. And a hot dandy glue gun and glue sticks. Alright, so rule number one. One is, if you're going to be working with a glue gun, make sure that you are age limit to use these, or ask a parent or a guardian to help you with this hot glue project. Okay, be very super careful because you will burn yourself with degree burns. Okay, now, all right, so you're going to take a piece of the brown cardstock. I'm using regular paper so you can actually see it better, and you're going to hold it to the edge of the paper nicely, and you're going to cut all the way up and leaving about a quarter at the top inch, and you're going to do the same for the next step. And you want it about a quarter of an inch from the top part. So you're going to leave a little bit of room here to work with, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and do the real deal. Here, this is how it looks. So we're going to take our little piece of cardstock here, and we're going to take our broken chopstick. You can just break a chopstick in half or whatever, it's wooden. Okay, so the skinnier side is going to be the part where the doll holds, and the fatter side is going to be where the broom fan folds out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the fatter side, and we're going to take our cardstock, shredded cardstock here, and we're going to go into a round circle around the chopstick, just kind of, you know, mold it in a way. Now that it's fan folded around the handle here, see, you kind of see a vision of what's going to be like, what's it going to look like, and then we're going to fringe it out. So the next part is going to hot glue this. Be very careful. So now this is easier to work with because now it's kind of bent up a little bit, and we're going to use the hot glue gun, and we're going to put some hot glue on the rim here. So now this is easier to work with because now it's kind of bent up a little bit, and we're going to use the hot glue gun, and we're going to put some hot glue on the rim here. Okay, not all the way down, we're just going to do maybe about a ½ inch. Alright, so now we're about to apply the hot glue on the end, and we're going to go about ½ inch. We're only going to work with like ½ inch at a time, everybody, because you don't want it to be too hot and too messy. So okay, so here we go. We're going to start wrapping it around. Be very careful, it's really hot. It's perfect. Do it kind of tightly though as you're rolling. Alright, so we're going to finish the other part of this cardstock. Apply some more hot glue. Be super careful, no rushing, because it makes you mess up if you get nervous. And we're going to wrap it around tighter again. Now see, look at that. See your broom? It's coming together. Okay, so our next step is going to be opening it up into like a little fan fold, flaring it.